Sangean presents the H202 with Bluetooth connection, the H201 with FM/AM reception, and the H203D with digital audio. All of 3 smart waterproof radios. All models are ideal to use in the shower, in the kitchen, or in the garden. Thanks to its Bluetooth connectivity, you can stream audio from your Bluetooth-enabled computer sitting in the living room to the H202 in your bathroom. Use the egg timer in the kitchen, or let the radio wake you from a quick afternoon nap. Ideal for campers, the radios are equipped with a bright LED torch. Press the emergency buzzer to alert your family should you need help in the bathroom. The Sangean H201 receives FM and AM signals, the H202 also features Bluetooth connectivity, and the H203D sports DAB+ and FM with RDS.
The Pyle hanging radio is a small and compact option that you will barely notice is there. This radio is both AM and FM, and it's battery operated, so you won't have to worry about any ports getting wet. It's great that it's both water and steam proof as well. Unfortunately, the dials tend to move slightly when you turn it on and off. It never truly stays at the last station you had it on. The clock on it is also not reliable, as it tends to move 10 minutes fast, even after resetting it. If you don't mind having to reset your stations when you get into the shower, then this might be an option for you. It takes up barely any room in your shower, and it runs on batteries. You will have next to no worries when using this radio, and that will make rocking out that much more fun. The beautiful design of the Conair shower radio helps add to the greatness of this product. Not to mention, the buttons are easy to use, and it's another good hanging option. All the buttons are separate, so you don't have to worry about accidentally changing stations or lowering the volume. The sound on this device is incredible. It's clear for such a small and low-cost radio. The radio does use 4 batteries, which is a lot for such a small product. There have also been complaints that the radio will randomly drop stations. The best way to get the station back is to turn the device off and then back on. Although the radio does use a lot of battery power and it may be annoying to reset it once in a while, it's a good option for the price. You can hang it anywhere in your shower, and it looks nice. It also has fantastic sound. The Sony ICFS80 shower radio doesn't look like much at first glance. It's a small and convenient radio with a hanging hook so you can find a place to keep it in your bathroom. Interestingly, this product is splash-proof rather than waterproof. That means that you can use it in the bathroom, but you probably shouldn't drop it in your bathtub. The device comes with a countdown timer and clock in case you need to keep an eye on how long you should leave your face mask on. You get AM and FM transmissions to choose from, which means a wider range of channels.